I don't know if I'll. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a returning subscriber, darling, what would I have done without you? Please continue supporting me. I really appreciate you. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to the family. Welcome home. Please do hit on the subscribe button and turn on that post notification bell so that when your girl drops a video, you do not miss out. Okay, I hope you've subscribed. Okay guys, this is Vlogmas part 3, standing on business. You guys need to tell me that I'm standing on business because I am, but if you don't want to tell me, it's okay. I know I'm standing on business. I know I'm standing on business. It's Friday and it's 5:04 a.m. Yes guys, I woke up early. For some reason I slept early, than I usually do yesterday because I came back home so tired, like you guys, so that I closed that vlog and I was a finished person. So I just woke up and I was going to force myself to sleep again, but then I know I won't. So I was like, I have things that I have to do. So on today's list, okay, so today we have to wash my hair, get some cornrows. I think I'm going to do those by myself today. And then I need to do my nails, I need to do my lashes, I need to do my skincare, like I need to mask my face and hydrate it and stuff. I need to also have a bath, like a bath today, and I need to pack my bags. Yes guys. Ooh, I didn't mention. Okay guys, I'm traveling tomorrow. You wanna know where I'm going? Then you need to watch the next vlog. Yes, I am not telling you nothing. Nope. So yes guys, so today I'm just preparing for my trip. Thank God. I don't know if it's a good thing. I've never really traveled around 5 p.m. I usually book flights that make me travel like around 12 a.m, 1 a.m, 2 a.m. But yeah, it's okay. That means I have more time. So my flight is around 5 a.m. 5 p.m. And yeah, so it would be wise to actually pack my stuff now. Yeah, since I have time, I need to pack my stuff, guys. Yeah, I actually need to pack my stuff. So that's what's going to happen now. I'm going to go shower and then I'll probably do the cornrows or the bands, I don't know. And then I'll start packing. Yeah, I'll start packing. And then you pack with me. So that's it for today's vlog. So let's just say today's vlog is preparing for my trip / maintenance. Because literally I am my own maintenance queen. I'm not going anywhere to get my nails done. I'm not going anywhere to get my lashes done. I actually hope I have the sizes for the lashes because I think last time I exhausted the little ones. And you know what guys, I ordered the lashes. I did, but sana Canada Post. So I don't know. I'll see what I'll do. But I know I can do my nails. Yes, I need to do my toes and then my fingers. So that's what's going to happen today. Yeah, that's about today's vlog. So stay tuned. If you're still watching this video, please like it, comment, share, and subscribe. Please, your girl needs the watch hours. I will say this till we get there because I know you guys will help me. You guys love me, so you will help me achieve my goals. Next year, guys, this time around, we should be talking about stuff like monetization and all those big girl things. So let's keep watching, keep subscribing. I'm working all the time, literally. I just edited the vlog I did yesterday, and it's on YouTube. You can see it as a premium or something because I just wanted to, it will show by the 16th, but yeah, it's ready. And I'm going to edit this one again today. So I'm literally standing on business. It's like I'm doing the vlog, I'm filming, I'm editing, and posting on the same day. So all I just need you to do is to watch in the comfort of your home with your popcorn. Like, comment, and share with your friends, even on your stories. It's fun, guys. Share. Don't be stingy. I know you guys love me so much, but don't be stingy. You need to share me with your friends, okay? Anyways, guys, I'm going to go shower now, and then wash my hair and then I'll come back. Yeah, cool. Do you see what happens when you have natural hair? It shrinks. Anyways, guys, I washed my hair. I showered. Yes, don't ask me why I showered in wore pajamas, because I can. Literally, that's what I love wearing when I'm at home. So yeah, I'm also thinking of decorating the Christmas tree. I don't know if I'll have time or if I'll be able to do it, because it looks like lots of labor, but maybe I'll do it later. I just thought of it when I wore my... It's time. Anyways, I'm going to try do my hair now in the bathroom. Yeah, let me go try do my hair now. Guys, I did my hair. I don't know, guys. Anyways, I'm starting to feel a bit tired, but I have to start at least packing something. And I'm still debating whether I should carry my hand luggage. I think I'll need it, because I also have things at my sister's house. Today I'm even going to pick a bigger bag, even though there's not going to be much, because yeah, I think let me just shink it and pick. Yeah, okay, let's do this. Wait, okay, so this is the hand luggage. Oh my god, it still has this tag from, I think, Zim, because I used this set when I went to Zim. So I'm going to put my stuff in here, and then this hand luggage, I'm still debating, really. I still am, if I really need it, but I think I'll just carry it. And then I don't want to carry too many clothes. Like I said, I don't. Oh yeah, guys, look at this coat that I got the other day. I really needed this because Sunday, baby. Sunday. Let's see. So heavy. The other reason why I have this bag is because, wow, it's so cute. Can't lie, it's really cute. You know, for a pinna up. So don't watch yourself a up. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. You want to see the full? Let me try. Oh, it even has pockets. They know me. I don't know if I'll carry it, but I will. Maybe I should for Sunday outfits. Yeah, it will cover that I need, because yeah, let's do that. I think I'm going to use this bag. It better work for me. I'm going to use this bag as my, you know, when I'm a lady and the family saying, and then what clothes do I want to carry? So I'm going to be away for something like 3 weeks. That's almost a month. Okay, I'll take all the shoes first. Shoes that I need. I'll need these and these. These are the 2 heels that I'll carry. Yeah, I think this for Christmas and this for Sunday outfits. Yeah, it means I just need to carry something that's neutral that will blend with this, so that I don't have to carry so many heels. So I'll get these 2 heels, and then sneakers. I'm going to wear my New Balance tomorrow as I travel, and then $20 sneakers. Maybe I'll also carry, I think the New Balance are fine. They're quite neutral. Those are fine. Because I have a package being delivered where I'm going. So like, they are also like, in that package, there are shoes. So I feel like I'll be fine, because I have shoes in that specific package. So I don't want to carry so many things, because I want to come back with all my stuff. So yes. Yeah, so I'm just putting the clothes according to days so that I don't carry too many unnecessary things. I like traveling. No, I don't like the idea. I just like being at the place. I don't like the whole. No, I like the idea of traveling. I don't like the process involved, like packing, going to the airport, flying, being in a plane. I don't like all this. I just like to be at the place. I'm tired. I also decided to carry the boots because I might need them actually. Yeah, I might need the boots. So, yeah, guys, I'm just trying to figure out. And the place Kwanduke and Aguno to another for Akunoko. So, wow. Wow. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I honestly don't know. Anyways, let's see how it goes. Okay, guys, I can't say I finished packing, but yeah, I've done most of it. I have packed my. I feel like the things I didn't pack because like I just packed because now I'm tired, so I haven't closed the bags. But yes, I did pack. I haven't packed my handbag. I'll pack that one tonight. I was thinking how to do my lashes now, but I'm tired. I'm going to take a nap. Wake up later. That's it for now, guys. Okay.
He made the will, so you can put it aside. What did they say to you? They are too old. Hey. The one who does not need wind or rain to perform his miracle. He doesn't need the wind or the rain.
Hi guys. I ended up going to church. Yes, that was not I didn't tell you about that part. Yeah. But I went to church. There's a women's retreat at my church. And today was the only day I could successfully go. Tomorrow I'm not really sure if I'll make it in the morning, because by the time it ends is the time I'm supposed to check in. So we'll see. Anyways, I'm going to finish off packing and then I just showered. Yeah, I'm going to finish off packing and I need to do my nails and my lashes. Hopefully I'm able to do that. If I don't do it, I'll probably do it in the plane. But yeah, in the end, yeah, my roommate and I are planning to set up the Christmas tree. So I don't know if I'll show you that, but yeah, that's what's up right now. I'll show you the end result. I don't know, but that's what's gonna happen today. Yeah, so I'm going to quickly finish packing and then, because it's already like morning, like time is flying and moving. It's not ready. Oh, I also need to check in online. Let me start with that. I've been trying to check in online and it's been telling me shagara. So I'm going to try checking online again. And then yeah, that's it. That's what I'm going to be doing. forgot to close the vlog, and I was on a TikTok live when I was doing my nails. They're not yet fully done. I still need to add top coat and stuff. Yo, my throat is painful. Hey, I hope it's not what I'm thinking. Anyways, my bags are packed and everything. I think I'm just going to rest today. I really wanted to go to the retreat. I'll probably join online the morning session. Yeah. So I'm going to sleep now. If you watched this video to this part, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Please continue engaging, liking, commenting, sharing. Watch the video to the end. Please, guys, always watch the videos to the end. I need the watch hours. But I know you've watched the video to the end if you're seeing this. So, mwah, love you for it. Okay, guys, this is from me to you. God bless you. Mwah.